Hi, welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace a key fob battery on 2016 Ford Explorer. This will work for Ford Explorers from 2016 through 2019. First step is to open the key fob, and we're going to do that by pressing this notch down and try to separate the key fob. Like that. Next step is to pry out this plastic out. For that I'm gonna use a flathead screwdriver, and I'm gonna go right on the edge here, just pry it out. This key fob has two batteries, so the first one is here. You can remove it like that, and the other one is under that paper. You can also remove it. Batteries for this key fob are CR2025, and you want to install them exactly like it shows on this paper. So first one will go inside just like that, and we're gonna put that paper on. And the second one will go plus on the bottom. And now you can put all back together. And the last piece. And that's all done. Thank you for watching my video.